Here's the continued script. You're rushing out the door to prep dinner for the family, and you can't find that last cup of milk anywhere. But then you remember it's stuck behind a stack of cluttered shelves. The Samsung 175 cubic feet fixes that moment forever. Let me show you why. This fridge is more than just a home appliance. It's a game changer for your kitchen workflow. The first time I saw the sleek, modern design, I knew something was different about this countertop fridge. The beautiful flat doors and easy-to-open recessed handles blend seamlessly into any cabinetry, making a seamless fit that's not only functional but also a statement piece. One of my favorite features is Wi-Fi connectivity. It's not just a nice-to-have. It's essential for safety and energy conservation. With this feature, you get immediate notifications if the temperature drops due to a power outage, or if you accidentally leave the door open. No more worrying about your food spoiling because you forgot to unplug it. Plus, with smart home integration, you can control your fridge from your smartphone, so you can easily lock doors, monitor temperatures, and even order groceries online. But that's not all. Twin Cooling Plus is another standout feature that keeps your food fresher longer. With independent fridge and freezer controls, you can customize the perfect environment for whatever you're storing. Want your fruits and veggies to stay crunchy? Your meats to stay juicy? The Samsung 175 cubic feet makes it easy. And with the ability to adjust humidity levels, you can keep delicate items like berries or flowers fresh for longer. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. This fridge is eco-friendly and Energy Star certified. You'll be saving money on your utility bills while doing your part for the planet. In fact, according to Samsung, this model uses up to 35% less energy than comparable refrigerators, which means you can enjoy all the benefits of a high-performance fridge without breaking the bank. The fingerprint-resistant finish is another feature that I love. It means you spend less time cleaning up after yourself, which is a total win in my book. No more smudges or streaks ruining your otherwise perfect countertop. This fridge is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. And with easy-to-clean interior shelves and drawers, maintenance is a breeze. But what really gets me excited about the Samsung 175 cubic feet is its impact on my daily routine. Imagine using this fridge tomorrow morning and having all your essentials at your fingertips without breaking a sweat. That's the kind of seamless convenience that makes life easier, one cup of milk at a time. Plus, with its spacious interior, you can store everything from snacks to drinks to leftovers, so you never have to worry about running out of space. And let's talk storage. This fridge has got it covered. With 17 cubic feet of freezer capacity, you can store all your frozen favorites in one place. And with crisper drawers and adjustable humidity levels, you can keep fresh produce crisp and delicious for longer. The Samsung 175 cubic feet also features a generous 55-liter water dispenser, so you never have to worry about running out of cold drinks on hot summer days. But what really sets this fridge apart is its advanced cooling system. With quick chill technology, you can cool your groceries down in as little as 30 minutes, so you can enjoy fresh produce right away. And with a built-in ice maker and automatic ice basket, you'll never have to worry about running out of cold drinks or snacks. In conclusion, the Samsung 175 cubic feet is more than just a fridge. It's a kitchen game changer. With its sleek design, advanced features, and energy efficiency, it's the perfect addition to any home. So why wait? Get ready to experience the ultimate in convenience, freshness, and flavor with this amazing appliance. Who doesn't want to save time and reduce stress in the kitchen? I know I do. And with the Samsung 175 cubic feet, you'll be enjoying a seamless cooking experience that makes life easier, one cup of milk at a time.